Hey guys, it's Daniel, and guess what I have?
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Rayquaza EX and Blastoise.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's check them out.
Alright,
which one are you going to open up first?
Rayquaza.
Rayquaza.
Rayquaza is my favorite. One of my favorite EXs.
Yeah. So we got a special guest with us today. We got Miss Amaya. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. That's a cool card.
You don't need to know about that.
Yeah.
And then
four packs.
Evolutions, Fates Collide, and Breakpoint.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna get the packs out of this too.
Yeah. All right.
So it's easier. And then here's the Blastoise.
She's here. She's here with me.
No.
Be quiet, Amaya.
She's fine.
In your lap.
Mm-hmm.
Which one should we open first?
Well, just start at the top and work your way down, buddy bud.
I did like the evolutions in a line.
Yeah. Do those first.
Fates Collide, and then
Yeah, Bubby. Alright, let's see what we got.
No, these are my cards, Amaya.
She's good. Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, didn't mean to do that.
Remember, take 1, 2, 3 to the front. There you go.
Full heal trainer.
A trainer.
These are old school Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
They're all old school.
Yeah.
Machoke.
Machoke. That's a good one.
Trainer.
Trainer
These
spray.
are literally all old school style Pokemon.
Yeah. Sandshrew. Those are cool. I like those. Ponyta.
What? The old school style
Yeah.
Pokemon cards?
Magnemite.
There's Pikachu also.
Pikachu. I like that
Fat.
Pikachu.
Ooh.
Machop.
Misty's Determination.
Ooh, Misty's trainer.
Misty's Determination.
Dugong rare. Nice.
Now another evolution.
All right.
Venusaur. Oh, dang it.
Careful. Need help? Remember how I showed you how to do it.
Where's the scissors?
You don't need the scissors. Do you need help?
I
No.
got a little.
Do you want me to start the packs for you?
I got a
Alright,
little
timeout.
piece of. No.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Full heal again. Porygon.
Porygon. I need that for my Pokemon Go.
There is no Porygon
Trainer.
in Pokemon Go.
Yeah, there is. Mm-hmm.
Tangela. For you?
Tangela.
Is it one of the baby Pokemon?
Mm-hmm. No, it's a regular one, I believe. Pretty sure. Poliwag.
And there's even
Seal.
old school energies.
Magikarp.
There is.
Energy.
If you get any of these, like the.
No, I think that's from the 2015, the Blastoise packs.
Yeah.
Whoa, Magmar Reverse Hollow. And a Clefairy Hollow.
Next, Charizard on the evolution pack.
Yeah.
I hope I get a Mega Charizard EX.
That would be nice, huh?
My first Mega. Of the starting all over.
Yeah.
Now I have 3 EXs. Then I lost them at the YMCA. 1 second.
Yep, unfortunately we lost our other ones. But it's alright, right? Trainer card.
Oh!
Poliwhirl. What?
Mega Charizard and
Charizard Spirit Link.
the black one and the black and blue
Weedle.
one, and the orange and
Sandshrew.
no, my no.
She's fine, buddy. She hasn't done anything yet.
Look what
Ghastly.
she's gonna try to do.
It's alright. Magikarp. Was that Electabuzz?
Bubby.
Leave it alone.
No.
It's alright. Electabuzz. Ooh, a Rattata Reverse Hollow. That looks nice.
Magneton.
And a Magneton Hollow Rare.
We're on the last evolutions, and then we're on to the Fates Clyde.
Alright.
Yeah. And then these open pretty fast.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
what the heck?
Flip them over.
Dumb.
And 1, 2, 3. And there we go.
Metapod. Ah.
Metapod.
What does devolve mean?
Trainer. It means you take it from, say, like, Charizard to
Mega
Charmander.
Or like, you mean, like, or like Mega
Suyu.
Charizard to
Regular
just regular
Charizard.
Charizard.
Diglett. Poliwag.
And there's even an old school Voltorb.
Sandshrew. Voltorb. I like Voltorb. He's cool. Oh, Professor Oak's Hint. Reverse Hollow. And then I Starmie. Stage 1.
And then the first Fates Collide.
Ooh,
you look
so pretty.
Look
Alright.
at Maya.
So pretty. Alright, come on.
So pretty, so pretty.
So pretty. Alright, sit down. Let's finish making the video for Bubby.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure the only EXs we're gonna get are
Those. That's alright. You never know.
1, 2, 3. That Genghis Kong.
Bubby.
Genghis Khan, yeah.
Kinchino.
Conchino.
Shackle.
Shuckle.
No, you put it in the wrong
No,
pile.
I put them over here. Those are new. Those are the new ones. Those are the new ones. Don't worry. Burmy.
Cotton. We already got that one in the
Yeah, Cottony.
Pokédex.
Bronzor.
Pokemon fan.
Don't look at them. What do you do? No, those are the. No, save those for last. Silly, come on.
Why?
Seal. Because those are the good cards.
No, is this a
Snubble.
good card? No.
Yeah, it's a reverse hollow. Motham. That's the rare. That's why you gotta do it that way, son. And a trainer, reverse hollow.
On our last one, a Fates Clyde. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, we get an EX or even a break. That'd be really cool if I got a break.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell her not. Gonna get an EX or a break.
You never know.
Power memory.
Power memory.
Idea.
A Dino Spirit Link.
Practice.
Wigglytuff.
Just my
Your
knees.
legs.
Ooh, I got one really cool.
Seal. Don't skip ahead, please.
I'm just gonna win.
Snubble.
Oh, I got two cool
Finnegan.
ones.
Don't skip ahead, Daniel.
I'm not.
Jigglypuff.
I'm gonna wonder how you say the last two of these cards.
Snivy. Zygarde. Reverse hollow.
White Kyurem.
White
Kyurem.
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 That's a cool card, dude. That's a cool one.
I'm gonna consider that like an EX or something. Ah, dang.
That's a rare. Flip it.
Oh, what the heck? Keep forgetting to do that.
It's okay. Flip it and then 1, 2, 3.
I know. 1, 2, 3.
And there we go.
Here. Ooh, that's full art.
Oh, Reverse Valley full art. I've never seen a... Don't... I told you don't skip ahead.
Oh
Great
my
ball.
gosh. I see a foil in here.
Heat more.
I can definitely see a foil in here.
Chikorita.
Oh my god, I think we might get an EX out of this pack.
Shinx.
In this last pack, I think we got an EX here.
Well, don't skip ahead. Cricketot. Rattata. Wow. Siglif. Reverse hollow.
More EX.
Ambor EX. Look at that. What? That's cool, dude. That's really cool,
Out
man.
of one of the last packs.
Yep, second to last pack. Got that cool EX. So let's see what we get in this last pack, huh? Careful, don't bend the corners when you do that, okay? Gotta be careful, buddy.
Puzzle of Time. Bursting Balloon. Durant.
Yeah. Thanks, my. Chikorita again. Shelter.
C-Dot.
C-Dot.
Nee.
Tempold.
Nee.
Trubbish.
Nee. No EX.
Egglish. Reverse hollow.
Hey, that's a Kate.
Raticate. Ooh, that's a cool one. Alright, well.
These are the only three.
At least we got that Mega EX, huh?
What?
That third one?
This isn't Mega, it's basic.
Oh, this is a regular EX. Okay, well, it's better than nothing, right?
Yeah.
And we got some really cool cards. What do you tell people? They give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
If you got some packs you want us to try to open, right?
Yep. I have 2 others on the back of this one.
Yeah, we can maybe try to get those a little bit later on.
And
Lidois or something like that. Latios, that's
and
right.
then Charizard and Venusaur.
Yeah. Then I'd say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Peace. Wait, no. Do the video again.
There we go.